Sagittarius has some wild traits that will totally surprise you, and I can't wait to share them. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Sagittarius and explore 21 unique characteristics that define the zodiac sign. From their adventurous nature to their philosophical mindset, we'll delve into the traits that make Sagittarians stand out from the crowd. So, if you're curious about what makes Sagittarians tick, keep watching. Sagittarians are known for being bold, fearless, and always up for a challenge. Whether it's traveling to new places, trying new foods, or taking on new adventures, Sagittarians are always on the go. This love for exploration drives their actions and shapes their personalities in many ways. They're not afraid to take risks and push boundaries, which often makes them stand out in a crowd. Their adventurous nature is just one of the many traits that make Sagittarians so fascinating. But there's so much more to them than just a love for adventure. Let's explore some of the other characteristics that define the zodiac sign. Sagittarians are known for their brutal honesty. They'll always tell you the truth, even if it's not what you want to hear. This straight-shooting approach can sometimes be perceived as blunt or even hurtful, but it's just their way of being truthful and genuine. One of the most defining characteristics of Sagittarians is their optimism. They have a positive outlook on life, which can be incredibly infectious. Being around a Sagittarian can lift your mood and make you see the world in a more positive light. Their optimism is contagious, and it's one of the things that makes them such great friends to have around. Sagittarians value their independence above all else. They hate feeling tied down or restricted in any way. This need for freedom is what drives them to seek out new experiences and adventures. They're always on the lookout for the next big thing, and they're not afraid to take the leap and go for it. Philosophical and introspective, Sagittarians often find themselves pondering deep questions about life and existence. They're always seeking answers to the big questions, and this curiosity drives them to learn more and explore new ideas. Sagittarians are naturally sociable and love being around other people. They're the life of the party, always telling jokes and making everyone laugh. They have a unique ability to connect with others and make them feel at ease. Sagittarians are the ultimate spontaneous beings. They love to do things on a whim, whether it's trying a new restaurant or going on a last-minute road trip. They're always up for an adventure, and their spontaneity is one of their most charming traits. Sagittarians are lifelong learners, always seeking out new knowledge and experiences. They're curious about the world around them, and they love to learn new things. This love for learning is what drives them to be their best selves. With their quick wit and playful nature, Sagittarians can always be counted on to make you laugh. They have a natural sense of humor that's infectious and can light up a room. Sagittarians are known for their generosity and willingness to help others. They're always willing to lend a hand or offer some words of encouragement. Their kindness and empathy towards others is truly inspiring. One of the downsides of being a Sagittarian is their restlessness. They can sometimes struggle with being patient or staying in one place for too long. This restlessness can often lead to feelings of boredom or discontent. Sagittarians are idealists at heart, always holding high hopes for the future and seeking to make the world a better place. They're dreamers, always looking for ways to make a positive impact on the world around them. Sagittarians value authenticity above all else. They hate fakeness and superficiality, and they'll always be true to themselves, even if it means going against the crowd. Sagittarians are incredibly enthusiastic, and their passion for life is infectious. They have a way of making everyone around them feel more alive and energized. Sagittarians are open-minded and receptive to new ideas and perspectives. They're always willing to consider alternative viewpoints, which makes them so much fun to have around. Sagittarians have natural leadership qualities, always taking charge and guiding others towards a common goal. They're confident and charismatic, and their natural authority is what drives them to success. Sagittarians have a unique ability to mediate conflicts with ease and fairness. They're diplomatic and empathetic, always seeking a peaceful resolution to any dispute. Sagittarians are adaptable and can adjust quickly to new situations or environments. This flexibility is what makes them so resilient and able to thrive in any situation. Sagittarians love to travel and explore different cultures and places. It's a significant part of their lives, and they often plan their vacations months in advance. Sagittarians are known for their directness, which can sometimes be perceived as blunt or hurtful. However, this directness is also a mark of their integrity, and it's what makes them so trustworthy. Sagittarians have big dreams and aspirations for their lives. They're visionaries, always seeking to make a positive impact on the world around them. So there you have it, 21 shocking traits that define the Sagittarius personality. From their adventurous nature to their philosophical mindset, we've explored the many characteristics that make Sagittarians so unique. These traits collectively define the Sagittarius personality, making them one of the most fascinating and dynamic zodiac signs out there. In conclusion, Sagittarians are a force to be reckoned with. Their bold, optimistic, and adventurous nature makes them stand out in a crowd, and their many talents and abilities make them a joy to be around. Whether you're a Sagittarius yourself or just know someone who is, I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this amazing zodiac sign. If you're a Sagittarius, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite trait about being a Sagittarius? And if you're not a Sagittarius, which trait do you think is the most surprising or admirable? Let me know in the comments. Finally, if you want to learn more about the zodiac signs and their many characteristics, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic. We've got tons of content on astrology and the zodiac, and I'm sure you'll find something that resonates with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.